Hello everybody. So the first we're going to talk about is affiliate marketing. In a few days we are going to have 2022. So I thought कि मैंने ऐसे कुछ ना एक वीडियो बनाते हैं जिसमें I can help people like solopreneurs who can start their own business. Affiliate marketing has been around the corner, but people don't realize that how it can be a very big market. So in today's video, I'm going to help you can how can an affiliate marketing, the basics of affiliate marketing as a beginner. मैं आपको समझाऊंगा कैसे affiliate marketing होता है, कैसे फॉर अ बिगिनर कैन स्टार्ट देयर इनकम इन डॉलर्स और इन रुपीज़, और कैसे आप उसको बिजनेस कर सकते हो. सो आई दिस इज अरिंदम. आई हैव अ मिशन टू हेल्प 1 million वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स convert your skills into a real time business. So without wasting time, chaliye let's start our first video regarding affiliate marketing. So before I start the video, I want you to like, subscribe and also comment on this video if you got any insights and how can I help you in your own business, right? And at the end of the video you can also come into a one-to-one consultancy with me, which is absolutely free, but I'll take you through your core businesses, or how you if you are a businessman or if you want to do a business online, then how can you start. For all those details you can also get in the information in the link. So before I start, I just want to start what is affiliate marketing. So let's get started. So I'll be sharing some insights about what is affiliate marketing. So the first thing which we need to understand about affiliate marketing is how has this affiliate marketing come about, right? We need to understand how this affiliate marketing is, what is that affiliate marketing, and what is that new 2022 in affiliate marketing, right? So what is actual affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is basically when we promote any kind of international products to our clients and we get some commission out of it. So like there are different types of affiliate marketing. I'll keep it short for you so that आपको समझ में आए. हम when a company pays us any commission for a product, that is basically an affiliate marketing. Now the question might arise, how many types of affiliate marketing are there? So as we can see here that there's affiliate marketing for service. Like if you're providing any service or you're selling any product which is of a service, that can be an affiliate marketing. Then you get of knowledge, like you see educational platforms like Udemy and all these things. Those are also affiliate marketing portals, but they actually give about knowledge for technology. So like you can see the digital marketing error जहाँ पे लोग selling YouTube, how to channelize YouTube channels, how to monetize YouTube channels. So when some people are selling courses or products or technologies based on technologies, that's also part of affiliate marketing. And so another thing is promotions, like some people also promote some other people product, it might be a third party. So this can be affiliate marketing. And why is the affiliate marketing so important? We need to understand that the benefits of affiliate marketing is it's without any kind of product. You can just imagine you have to make your own product, it would be very difficult, right? So what if I take you through the advantages? So I'll do it in front of you, the advantage of affiliate marketing. See the advantage here, which is immense. Like why what how can you really do an affiliate marketing, right? So I'll take you through here. So what are the advantages of affiliate marketing? So the first and the foremost advantage is that no no previous knowledge required, right? No previous knowledge, right? So what are other advantages of doing an affiliate marketing? No product. What I mean to say is that you don't need to have any product. Like if you want to become a influence builder, you don't need to have any product. Imagine making a product, how much cost investment it will require, right? That is not required. Then what other advantages is that you get uh, multiple markets to target, right? So this is advantage. Now some more advantages, like earn money from home. Yeah, then what? No employees. So like these are the basic benefits of affiliate marketing, which is very common. Like you can market any product and you have multiple customers across the world, like customers, global customers, right? See, like 10-20 साल पहले इंडिया में we had local markets, but now you can actually act global. You can connect to so many people who are abroad. तो इससे क्या होता है कि आपका जो बिजनेस strategies होता है, you act globally and you attract those kind of customers who are into that product. Now what is the new error of affiliate marketing? What are the new changes which is going to happen in affiliate marketing? How can it really affect you? I'll go through that. So as you can see, only in US by 2022 it's going to be 8.2 million. And why am I focusing on US? Because आप इंडिया में बैठ के आप यूएस का मार्केट यहाँ से डील कर सकते हो. दैट इज द एडवांटेज ऑफ एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग. आप यूएस का प्रोडक्ट विच इज़ इन डॉलर्स, आप डॉलर्स की प्रोडक्ट यूएस कस्टमर्स को घर बैठ के बेच सकते हो और आप डॉलर्स में कमा सकते हो. Isn't that beautiful? Because you know, like now $1 is around to 75 rupees. Now imagine you are like getting $10, $20, $30 for a product. How wonderful would that be, right? So this is the beauty of it. Like in only 2022, I'm just talking about only 1 year. So the next point which I want to talk about is how actually, or what are the types of affiliate marketing, which is really important, right? So this is as a basic market figure. You can do more research on Google. You can go to Google and do some research. Yeah, you can do some research here. So research on Google for India too, because this is a task for you, because in India it's estimated like around 85 billion dollars market by 2025. Just imagine you being just even like a tiny part of it. And how much can you earn actually? Like it's a business. So before I wanted to go through it, because people say affiliate marketing, आप किसी और का product sell करते हो, it's very cheap. No, take it as a business. हम लोग कोई ना कोई product sell करती है, right? It's very common. So this is a business where I'm going to teach you how to convert affiliate marketing to a real-time business, and that's why I'm here for. So I'll take you through the new types of affiliate marketing which is in 2022, which people generally don't talk about, because you should know that what kind of affiliate marketer you are, right? That's very important. So the types of affiliate marketing is unattached affiliate marketing. As you can see, the name suggests, you have no idea about the product, and you just, somebody goes and tells you that this is a very good product, you just go and purchase it. That is not what we are. Because if you do not have the value, if you do not know the product, what is this about, then would you recommend it to somebody else? No, right? You should only recommend products which you think is genuine or you have used, or you can think it gives value to your customers. तो जो value देता है आपको उसी को बताना है, because when people are paying some product, they should get the value of it. So unattached affiliate marketing is very simple, where just it's just like a third party, where you just know, okay, this product is there and बस अच्छा है, but क्या अच्छा है, nobody knows about it, so you're not in that part. We will focus on categories on 2 and 3. Why is that? Related affiliate marketing is generally what the affiliate marketing world is, where we go to a particular site, which I'll take you through in my account, and I'll show you how to find out sites, okay? And I'm also help you to start affiliate marketing in this workshop, in this video today. So related affiliate marketing means basically where you have information on the product, like we go to their sales page, we find it out what the product is all about, and then we do some research on that, because all the informations are given in the sales page. And the most important thing is not your product, everything is given to you by the owner. You just need to inform your customers, your contacts to purchase it with proper information. So we are into the second category, that is like the 99% or say 90% people in the world belong to the second category of affiliate marketers. Now what is involved affiliate marketing means where you help the owner of that product with some new ideas. We sit with these entrepreneurs and discuss ideas on how to build a product, and you affiliate them. So that is where I want you to look for. I don't want you to become a general affiliate marketer at all. I want you to be an affiliate marketer with the mindset that in future you will be sitting with the entrepreneurs of those companies and deciding on products and making your own affiliate marketing market. So that is where I look for you in this 2022. So that are the basic three types of affiliate marketing. So I'll not take you through much of that because that is not more important. Now okay, now the point is that where now the question might arise, no, okay, so Arindam, you have given me information what is affiliate marketing, all those things, but how do I start? That is the biggest question. How do I start affiliate marketing, and what are the top sites? That is a general thing which people ask, because there are a lot of sites in the market which does affiliate marketing, but you don't get right commissions, you don't have that leverage which I talk about, right? But now I want to take you through that. So let's get started with that. The top sites which I think is the best for you to start affiliate marketing in 2022, right? So the first thing I talk about is, now the thing is, there are two ways of affiliate marketing. One is a platform based, and one is an affiliate based. What I mean by this is that a platform based means there is a platform which you go and affiliate a product. What I mean is very simple. Like, what are the platform based is like Udemy. Everyone knows about Udemy, right? Udemy is a platform based. So I'll show you by example what do I mean by platform based. So you go to Udemy, which I'm doing it live in front of you. So I'll not go for the advertisement one, I'll just go for the site. And if you scroll down, right, if you see the option here which is called affiliate, if you can really scroll down here, yeah, it's showing here affiliate, right? So this is a education based affiliate marketing. Means once you market their products, you get a commission out of it. So once you click on this link, you can join in with how to join in and all. I'll talk about the next video, but this is a channel which you can go to do an affiliate marketing, right? If that's the thing which you have understood. So now the point here is, like that there are multiple platform based affiliate marketers around the world, like Udemy, Coursera, Skillshare, EDX, Blackboard Learn. These are all the top 5 channels right now which are doing affiliate marketing, or which has really good contents. And as a genuine affiliate marketer, you can really start off in 2022 in India right now. And then other thing is a platform based. Platform based is basically it's just a product, there is no education about it, you just go and do the affiliate marketing. So the top sites for this are ClickBank. I think ClickBank everybody knows about it, but the beauty of ClickBank is it's humongous affiliate market. So I'll take you to ClickBank. So if I go to ClickBank right now, this is the site. You can just if you're new to it, obviously as you're a beginner, you can just sign up, uh, giving all your country, your first name, your details, your email ID, password, and you're good to go. You click on the terms and condition, but the most important thing, it has to be authentic. Whatever informations you're giving, it has to be completely authentic, so that the company knows that you're genuine. So fill in all these details and click on that, and I'll teach you on the coming videos how to go through these particular sites and start your own affiliate marketing, right? So like that, like ClickBank, we have Digistore 24, we have Warrior Plus, we have JVZoo. Like Digistore 24 is the same policy. You can register right now, it's completely free. What other sites I'm talking about is completely free for you. You can just give your username, email ID, from which location you belong to, what's your country code, your title, your everything, give it here and register it now, and you'll get a mail in your email ID, like simple login credentials which normal users ask, and then you can start off like that. Warrior Plus and also JVZ. So Warrior Plus is also a very good platform. The difference between Warrior Plus and ClickBank is that both, I think Warrior Plus is much more easier to use, right, than ClickBank. It's what I believe, but yeah, everybody has their own perceptions to it. But yes, what if I'm starting off, I would always go for ClickBank first. That is my recommendation to you, because if you're starting off, go for ClickBank, go through the markets and search on your markets. And you also have, last but not least, you have JVZoo, right? So these are the top things, and I'll give you all the links to all these channels in my description, so that you can directly go and click. And one more thing I want to tell you is that this is not about affiliate commissions. I don't make any commissions of these videos. It is just, this channel is just for this for educational purpose, nothing else, right? And now, how to start affiliate marketing. This is the top thing which people ask, right? So now how am I ready to know, right? How do you actually start affiliate marketing? How do you like the steps, the things which is required to start your affiliate marketing? So if you're ready, you can type in I'm ready, and we will start off right away. And if you're seeing this video later on, just say ready, and you're ready to make money on 2022 in this new year, right? So let's start off with the presentation of the steps of how to start off your affiliate marketing. uh, Sorry for the bad throat. Yeah. So as simple as that, create an account. The very simple. The first part is that you need to create an account with your name, place, which I already have an account, so I would just log in. Like, let me log into like Warrior Plus. I'm like logging into my account, so I'm giving my registered email ID, as you can see right here, checking in front of you. All right. Just a sec. Yeah, I'm just logging in. Yeah, see, this is how it actually looks when you log in. And you go to the affiliate, you go to offers, you have to click here, and when you click here, you will see the top offers, which is right now in this thing. And there are multiple niches, like there are multiple ways, like crypto buzz, read for more. There are multiple ways. And then what you do, you like select one of the offers, and then you request for an approval. Like, before that, you need to go through some research. So what I discuss about here is doing some research. Go to the research and do your product. So the first thing is create an account, then do some research on your product. So what I mean by that is that, like, for this is a product, I would see how much sales that has been made, what are the conversion, 6%, like out of 100 people, six people are purchasing it. So this is the visitor value, and what is the refund rate. So these are the things which I can go for. Now I will go to the sales page to see how it exactly looks for the customer कैसे दिखना है, right? So यहाँ पे क्या होगा कि customer को पता चलेगा. So this is the page which customers would see. This is a landing page. So that is the beauty of it, that you do not have to make any product for yourself. So this looks good, really good actually. Okay, so there are like testimonials, and gives a good you can see here that the testimonials here are given, how many people have made and all this. So this is a good landing page. So yeah, you can read about the product after this video. You can know about this person more and more. And when you go back, you can request for an approval. So how do you request? The most important thing what I'll tell you is that you can write, hi, your name, this is uh, Neil, for example. So what you can do is that actually people in this workplace that like authentic people who are coming, right? So it's very good to be authentic. So what you can do is that it's just to be authentic in all sense, is from Canada, or maybe from India, and I got to know about your page from this channel, and then you can give a link to my channel, because as I'm informing about this channel, you can also, they will also see, okay, this channel is authentic or not. So you can give the link to my channel here, and then you can say I am new to this. Okay, give the link there, and then you can say I am new, and I would like you I would like to promote your product, something like that. Okay, and then request for an offer. It takes around 24 hours to get it approved, and then once you get the approve, you'll get the affiliate link, and then in the affiliate link, which you can start doing affiliate marketing, right? So you can start promoting your product. So this is like a basic understanding on how to like start your affiliate marketing. If you like this video, and if you want more impactful videos, and this is like a basic one which I'm giving information for starters. अगर आपको और भी ऐसे इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए, आपको हिंदी में चाहिए, इंग्लिश में चाहिए, या बंगाली में चाहिए, you can type there and I'll make videos on that language. And once again, thank you for watching this. अगर आप इतना वीडियो देख चुके हो तो don't forget to like, subscribe, and also give your comments so that I can improve on my content, and wish you a very very happy new year in advance, and all the best. Take care, and start earning money. Okay, yeah, that's all I need. Thank you. Take care.